All right. Woo! Had a sneeze right when I started. We've got Aquaman in here 3 times, BBR once for the free box of Elites. Gonna mix them up, so BBR, you gotta defeat the odds here. All right. Just gonna number them in order. And then you guys are gonna give me a number 1 through 4. Give me a number 1 through 4. I'm gonna grab the Elite box while you guys are picking. Three. All right, just gonna go right to the punch. Card number 3. Aqua. Aqua, and then I'll show you the rest. 4 was Aqua. 2, oh, Aqua. So BBR, you got 1. It's like the most picked number, I think, but not tonight. So this is Aqua's box of Elite. Aqua's box of Elite, and then we'll do the random for the break and hop in on that. All right, here we go. Rookie Stars of Sean Couturier. I feel like 1 gets picked the most. Claude Giroux Aspirations. This is a personal, well, kind of a, this is part of the group break because he won the box as part of the group break, but no, it's not part of the main group break. We haven't picked our teams yet. We have Brendan Smith, New Breed jersey. Brendan Nash, rookie to $9.99. Yep, this is for Aquaman. He won the free box. Patrick Sharp, Aspirations. Base pack. Ooh, what a hit. Number to 100, Passing the Torch, dual autograph. Brandon Saad and Dirk Graham. Passing the Torch, dual auto for the Hawks. See? Wins a free box. There's a Passing the Torch dual. Boom. Ovechkin's Elite Series. Letting in Aspirations. Carey Price, Elite Stars. That's a sweet one. To see alive is nice. A lot of those are redemptions. Tim Erickson, rookie auto for the Rangers. Oh no, I love how they're front and back. That is awesome. Derek Stepan. TJ Brennan. Wayne Simmons, number to 99, status die cut. Wow, bonus hit. What the heck? 2-color prime, New Breed, Patrick Wersiak, number to 25. 2-color. Crazy. Cam Ward. Sidney Crosby, Elite Series. And last pack of Aquaman's free box is a base pack, so very solid.